It's Friday morning, the 27th of September. Of course, we're in Jamaica. We're having our first breakfast on the island. Counting down to the night, which at 11 o'clock island time, midnight Eastern Coast time, I'll be celebrating 16 years of retirement. Next year, September next year, me and Sure are going to celebrate being friends and lovers and everything else. 20 years. 2025 will be 20 years for us, so y'all can come join us in Jamaica. No excuse. Right, baby?
That's right.
Y'all come hang with us and help us celebrate 20 years of friendships and lovers and all that good stuff, other things. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for highlights from RIU Aquarelle in Jamaica. Peace out. It's just juice. Come on in. Trying to get people to do it. You see? Come on now.
Jamaica. Welcome to the RIU.
That's the whole song. And I didn't get my high five. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me have a high five.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Right here.
I am good to go.
Yeah.
Cuckoo looks baby. That's right. I would have me, Jesus.
some ice. I told you I was gonna bring it back when I was done. I brought it back. But this is all I could. This is all that was left. So thank you for the loan. You can have it back now.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you very much.
Nice doing business with you.
What you gonna sing today, though?
You should taste nice. What do I? When a man loves a woman. Come in, baby. Come in, come sing with me. She don't know this song. I'll help you. I give you
America.
excited. What I know, I'm working for the camera.
I'm crazy.
What's wrong with you?
I'm crazy. I was there. They let me out for vacation.
You see, she's distracted. She's distracting me.
Not bad, not bad.
That's the whole song. Oh, 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 oh.
Sing something else. Yeah, I told you.
That's Napoleon.
I get
I
crazy.
need to salute Napoleon. That was a big marshal.
Marshall?
Big general.
General in Jamaica nowadays. No marshal there. You come back for the show.
All right, girl. Thank you.
Give me sit, give me sit. XO, my love is very special. If you want, you can have it. How's the truck, baby? How's the truck? All right, baby. So much, so much, so much. I cannot do a report for. Yeah, do it under. Ding, rock, ding. He's giving me music. Let me hear music.
Uh-oh.
Can't hear that. Cool. Oh, wait. Let me get up. Exo, exo.
Fourth fight again.
2 for 1, baby.
Fourth fight about empty again.
Hold up, baby. Hold up. Hold up, baby. I was not smiling yet. You gotta let me smile. Hold up.
Lean in, I gotta get your name tag.
Hey?
Then lean in so I can get your name tags. And spell your name right.
Monique.
Let's see.
Come, baby. I give you a dirty pussy this morning. That's a free one.
M-O-N-I-Q-U-E. Monique Martin that one. Got it.
That's Monique.
Moving on.
Thank you, baby. You want more ice?
No, I brought your ice back. I told you. You said it was a loan. So, hey, I brought it back. Like I said, I'm a man of my word.
Yes, baby. You are. Thank you for the ice. Thanks for doing business with you. I get back 5.
We'll be back to get more.
I get back 5.
It's just, no, it was like 20.
No, if it was 20, the water would melt all the way up. Thank you, baby.
Bye. It's Friday, September 28th, first full day here at RIU Aquarelle, Trelawney, Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
Countdown till midnight. We'll be celebrating 16 years of retirement. 11 o'clock Jamaica time, midnight on the East Coast. 16 years retirement. Once again, we're back in Jamaica. You know what we're doing. We're going to do 3. How many teams you want to do?
3.
4.
That's all we need to do is 3.
We're going to do 3. We're going to do 3. We're going to do 3 ting. Ready? Ting, ting, ting. That's 3 ting. Y'all stay tuned for highlights. We're in the sports bar. It's about to start storming. And you know we don't care. Y'all, oh really? It's really gonna storm. We don't care. Y'all stay tuned for highlights from Jamaica. It's September. Y'all know where we gonna be. But,
Always.
this might be the new spot. RIU Aquarelle might be the new spot. Y'all stay tuned for highlights. Cause you know I am drinking the tea from the island which is long.
Y'all, he's stupid.
Yes, I am stupid. I am drinking the Long Island iced tea. Shirley's drinking the margarita made from the mango. Y'all stay tuned for highlights. Peace out, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
See, you got these paper straws. See, they're environmentally friendly. You gotta drink quick. If you don't drink quick, your straw gonna get soft. So we drink real quick and you get another drink. Peace.
Bye, y'all.
She married me anyway. What can I say? She knew what she was getting.
Keep me laughing, y'all. Keep me laughing.
Y'all see that? Y'all see how she sucked that thing? Oh my goodness. Get another sip. Give one more sip.
Stupid.
We got those jaws all sink on it. Bye for real. Peace out, y'all. We laughing.
He's crazy, y'all.
I'm rolling. But oh, wait. That's right.
When they say, Miguel, we want these, you won't know what they talking about.
It takes time, you know?
I know.
I don't want to get a whole trailer like waiting. But I got you.
I think, so good. I'll take it on that. Okay.
We'll charge you for that.
Oh, he made it right. I didn't even know. See, I didn't even see it. I didn't catch it. Yeah, man. I'm waiting for you to make a dirty banana so I can catch you up. Tisha, what you making? Something special?
Ooh, this looks good. If you put that in there, boy, it looks good. And look, whipped cream in it. Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
I said something good, you know?
Oh, cool. I'm gonna hand it to my wife right behind me. I'm gonna show her. Tell her where you from.
Savannah.
That's it. Ready to try that? You ready to try that?
What is that?
It's a special.
Oh, I thought you made them for somebody.
You won't.
I ain't gonna drink 6 of them.
No, you customer. You share that.
I sure will. I'll try anything twice.
Huh?
I'll try anything twice.
Okay. Enjoy, okay?
I sure will. We don't know what they are. We don't care. One thing we learned about coming to Jamaica 16 years ago is if the bartender makes it, just drink it. Nike says just do it. In Jamaica, just drink it. Ask questions later. We don't care. It has no name. We don't care. We're going to enjoy it. See, look at that. Look at that. Peace out.
Salute.
Salute.
You gotta drink it all at one time.
Okay.
You do it first.
That's right. I ain't gonna say why. Never mind. I'm gonna drink a half first, and she gonna take the other half for certain reasons. I know where her mouth be. Never mind. I'm sorry.
If anybody should know where my mouth been, it should be you.
Woo! Ah! I I ain't gonna touch that. Anyway, we might have to edit that out. I'm gonna drink half.
You done took all the cream cheese. Eat it.
Ain't no cream cheese.
I mean, all the
Ain't no cream cheese.
he done took all the whipped cream, so he might.
And I don't even like whipped cream.
Yes, you do.
I don't. I hate whipped cream. You know that. I ain't never put.
Go and finish it.
Never mind. I'll do Cool Whip, but I ain't never used that thing. You doing them too?
You guys need another one?
We gonna order something different.
Okay. Maybe come order for yours.
No, we'll do it right now.
Here, drink your half.
Go ahead, finish
You
it.
gotta tell me twice. I ain't getting all of it.
No, it's got coconut in it. Coconut rum.
Woo! Retirement tour, 16 years in 2024. Counting down to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock Eastern. Peace out. Y'all stay tuned. We ain't doing nothing but chilling. We ain't even been in the pool. We ain't been in the ocean. One thing about it, we ain't home. And we ain't fighting no floods because we looking at the weather back home. So we good. Y'all stay tuned for highlights. Loving these people out here. They love us. We have a good time. Hey!
Bye, y'all. We'll see you later. You're gonna be drunk in a little while.
I don't know how she put up with this, but I love her to death. I'll say it to everybody. I love this woman to death. Now,
He's so sweet. Oh, I would kiss you, but I can't.
right. We had a little bit of a health scare, so I ain't gonna kiss her. Anyway, stay tuned for highlights. Peace out. This time it should be you. Falmouth, Jamaica. RIU Aquarelle. Peace out.
He does that peace out about 5 times, y'all.
So, I know I can't stop talking. I'm still talking, ain't I?
Yep.
Peace out. We gone.
Like they said 6 times. How many times he gonna say it? See, he gonna edit it all out when you edit it.
No, I'm not. Peace out. 6 times.